right down here. You ready? There's a hen up there too. It might be a tom with them. They gonna come right in here. Hey, when they come in, they gonna go right to that Jake decoy. No, right there. You good? Look how red they done got. Relax. Just relax. Don't put your finger. Hey, I'm gonna take the safety off. Just wait. I'll tell you. I'll give it to you. I don't care which one you shoot. I'm on them all. Just make sure they're not together. I say the one on the right. The one on the... It don't matter. They're all the same size. There. Just wait. I mean, they in range now. They gonna come right up there with that Jake decoy. They should. But you, hey, whenever you want to shoot here, it's ready. Just let me know when you finish shooting. Get your feet right. Whenever you ready. Good shot. Good shot. He done. Good shot, Macie. Good shot. You smoked that one.
I had it right on him. He was standing still.
Good shot, baby. He done.
Why they still standing?
Shh, watch this. They gonna stand there. Watch this. Good job. Good job. That's a good shot. Look at him. Watch this. They don't want to look at hen. She like, what in the world is going on? Them Jakes like, yeah, we gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Look at her.
What's she doing?
She trying to figure out that all that burning. Macie done. Look, them Jakes finna get in the wind. They don't like that. They don't like that. Listen, hear him back there? Hear him back there? I just heard him back there yelping. When I start purring like that.
There's more.
I bet you that Tom was coming.
Unless they sped up.
No, there ain't no more. I was looking.
I can stretch. Jeez. I can stretch.
Oh, it's over. Let me put it on safety. Oh. That's it, baby. I mean, that's it. How come I ain't got but 2 shells in this gun?
I thought I missed him.
Let's go out here and check him out. Hold on, wait.
I didn't see him.
Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
I thought he missed him.
I don't know. Let's go out there. Here, let me unzip it. Seems like Daddy was right again, huh?
I had to wait.
Yeah, we had to wait a little bit. But that's all right. That's all right. Let's go out here and check him out. He come right up over that hill, like I said, huh? Yeah. Yeah. They like, what in the world happened to Jed? They over there, I see you. Look, they gone now. Look at him. He cracked him. He had a beard. A little one.
Oh, dang it.
Did you shoot his beard off?
I don't think it. No.
Don't matter. Hey, congratulations. We finna eat that. That's your second one, ain't it? That's a good little shot, Macie. That's 25 yards, probably. He got some little nubs, look. He got some little spurs. He finna start kicking again. Yeah, them ain't gonna do nothing to you. Here, pick him up. Yeah.
I don't want to suck it.
Pick him up, 15 pounds. Pick him up. Pick your feet up. You gotta pick that turkey up. Pick him up so I can get a picture. Pick him up real quick. I'm going to get my phone. There it is. Right. Hey, remember how I had Blake fan his tail out? Turn him over and do that. I'll help you. I'll help you spread his wings. Just turn him over and get behind him. Grab his last 3 feathers on both sides. Grab his last 3 feathers on both sides. Go ahead. And push him forward. Do that with him just like that. Man, he almost... Hey, see how you got that big gap? That's too much now. There you go. Spread, get your hands. There you go. Oh, right there. Right there. Gee, just like that. Hold on. If I can get this... Hold on, my hand. Look at me. Macie. Let me do the portrait, huh? Come on, we're gonna be like... Oh, gotta get jiggy with it. Got it one more time. Let's go this way. Right there. Come on, come on, come on. I got you. Y'all killing it this year, man. Jesus, Pete. So, hey, what'd I tell you? We was over there, came back, bumped a bird, drove up on the tom over there. He took off that way. I said, we're gonna get in between them, because if he comes back, because Tom came from this way this morning, went somewhere up through there and kept on going. Never saw him again. We're afraid he'd come back. I said, we'll set right here. I've never sat here. I've always seen a lot of birds here. I always sat over there. But I always see a lot of birds right here because they come out of them woods. They'll either come out right there and I'll blow their head off, or they'll come out down here in the middle or up there in the top, and then they'll come and walk right across that little saddle right there and go on, I guess, the kingdom come. But we've been sitting out here all day. Hey, love you. Congratulations. It was worth the wait, worth the sit. You got free food out of it 3 times. And a nap. And a nap. And your phone's charged. So it's all good.
Because I didn't want them to leave.